You're back with Crystal Perfect 101, and today I just wanted to make this video. It's going to be a little short. I made some slime, or you could say some Play-Doh, but it's very easy to make. All you need to do is have some Elmer's glue and baking soda. If you want to get really creative, then a tablespoon of laundry detergent, but all you need to do is have some baking soda and Elmer's glue, 1/2 the cup of Elmer's glue, and 1/2 the cup of baking soda. If you want it to be dry, then more baking soda. Bye guys, please like and subscribe.